When your LG portable air conditioner displays a water full error, you'll typically see one of these codes on the display. These error codes all indicate the same thing. Your air conditioner's condensate water tank is full and needs to be drained. This error commonly occurs in humid conditions when your air conditioner collects excess moisture from the air during operation. To resolve this error, follow these simple steps. First, turn off and unplug your air conditioner for safety. Next, locate the drain port, which is usually found at the bottom or back of your unit, as shown in this image. Place a container underneath the drain port, then carefully remove the drain plug and cap to allow the water to drain completely. Once all the water has drained out, securely replace the drain plug and cap. Make sure they're tightly fitted to prevent leaks. To prevent this error from occurring frequently, clean your air filters every 2 weeks. Regular filter maintenance helps your unit operate efficiently and reduces water buildup. When the water full error persists after draining, the first component to check is the float switch. This small device detects when the condensate tank is full and triggers the error message. To test the float switch, you'll need a multimeter. First, turn off and unplug the unit for safety. The float switch should show continuity when the float is in the down position, indicating the tank is empty. If your unit has a condensate pump, inspect it for proper operation. Also check for clogs in drain lines that can cause water backup. Ensure the unit is level to facilitate proper drainage through gravity. For continuous drainage, connect a 5/8-inch inner diameter drain hose to the upper drain port. Secure it with a zip tie and ensure the other end drains into a floor drain or container with a downward slope for gravity flow. Newer LG models feature improved self-evaporation technology that reduces the need for manual draining. However, regular maintenance, including filter cleaning every 2 weeks and periodic drainline checks, remains essential for optimal performance and preventing future issues.